Morning, everybody. Hope y'all had a great weekend. Give me just a second to get the YouTube video set up. Give me just a second here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And good morning again. How's everybody doing this morning? Anybody here? Y'all sleeping? Hopefully, y'all are sleeping because it's crazy too early to be up. I know it's going on 6. I actually got some sleep on this. See how that goes. Live trading. Go back over here. Close that one down. Go down to here. Let's pray our TikTok pulls in this morning. Good morning, Builder Veloz. We're going to Vegas early. We're going to Vegas 2 weeks early now. Looks like it anyways. Just waiting on confirmation from the lady that we're renting the house from. So, yeah. His name isn't Vegas. It's just what I refer to him as because I can't say his name properly. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, 10-4. Good morning, M15. Good morning, YouTubers. What's up, guys, on YouTube? Let's take a look. We're in the money on a latest call, by the way, by the Signal service. Yeah, yes. All right. Who do we got over here on YouTube? Maria, you're number one. Good morning, Maria. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Good morning, Monique. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? What's up, Charlotte Klein? Good morning, JSMB1. Jason. Good morning, Bruce Jackson. Good morning, Metal Mine. What's up, Metal Mine? Good morning, Annie. Welcome to the signals. I believe you should have gotten your first signal just a little bit ago, and you're in the money. Good morning, Priscilla Surgeon. Good morning, Ted Parker. Good morning, Shash, and God bless you, sir. Half dead. Hopefully not half dead, maybe tired. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Ore. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Matt, Rebecca. And I think that's everybody. We're live on TikTok. We're live on YouTube. And we actually have more on TikTok than YouTube. That's unusual. Dun, 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 dun. Trades from last week. Looking at the white line right here where the signal was called. Let me move these out of the way. These are trades from last week, still rolling Thursday and Friday or something. I don't know. Look at this fucking money. Signal called out. You could be up 30 pips. Signal called out where that white line is. You could be up 23 pips. Look at the power. Look at the power of the signal. You could be up 4 pips. You could be up, let me see. I don't know where this one went to. 20 pips. You could be up, oopsie, let me grab this one. Depending upon entry, 15, 20. Well, this had to be more than 20 pips. Then hold on. Yeah, it was 25 pips. Depending on your points of entry. These are the signals that was just called out to our group. How freaking fantastic is this? Now, usually I don't come on right away with the signals, but I happen to be coming on anyways. Where is the, I must have lost it somewhere. Where is the Discord at? Why, oh, why do I not see the Discord? Why, oh, why do I not see the Discord? Huh. Well, no big deal. That's great. Oh, back in again. Good morning to everyone. Yep, so we already just had, I don't think this trade is done. But again, if you guys took your 20 pips or so, got, oh, this, give me just a second. And wow, I am slow as heck this morning. Look, gorgeous trade. Woo! Ric Flair drip go up on the. Oh, this joke was on Grim. That's funny, man of mine. Good morning, Matt, Rebecca. All right. Go whoop on the. Whoop, 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 go whoop. I got something to show you guys. All right. There is your signal sent to tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. We're now 2 on the month. Look down here, guys. What do you see? Uh-oh, what is this? Can anyone read this right here where it says something tier 1, tier 2? What's that word right there? Dot, 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 dot. Anyone can read that? Dot, dot, and I can't get too far along, but you're in more money on the NAS buy stop, by the way. Anyone at all? Good morning, George. Gold, baby. Okay, thank you, Metal Mind. Here we go. Remember I told you that gold would probably be our first signal that's going to be called out? We have the room set up now for gold, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So starting next week, unless something goes bad, you guys will be receiving signals, not just for NAS, SPX, and US 30, the tier 1 signal rooms. You're going to be receiving it for gold starting next week. Who receives this? If you're in tier 1 for your $150 a month for 5 signals, you'll be getting gold. By the way, it will not count against your signals. You'll be getting a gold tier 2. Yes, Dennis, those signal rooms are open, bro. Boy, you missed some. Missed a trade this morning, actually. Tier 3, you have to pay for them. Gold tier 2, $250 a month, up to 10 signals. Gold tier 3, $350 a month, including unlimited signals. So gold is here. Your signal rooms are already active starting next week. Please type a 7 if you understand that, well, if things go well, which they will, that the gold signal rooms will be open next week, and they are free to everybody who's already paying for tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3. Can you imagine if you're paying for tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 signals, you get those for free? For signals, you send a nicely worded email to Bree, Dennis, just like you always do. Oh, no, Dennis, don't you email us. They're going to be next week. Listen to what I'm saying, Dennis. I know you're excited. Why do I have it in MT4? We have them on, I trading MT4, that's why. We have it on Trading View, if that's what you're asking. You know that, yes, sir, or ye, sir. You know exactly where our things are. They're on, all new systems are on Trading View. Good morning, Kelly McMahon. Good morning, Annie Leland. Good morning, Charlotte again, and Mike, and Maria, and Martin. Morning, Johan. Don't you email us, Dennis G. Do not do it. Dennis is funny. No, these will be open next week. Dude, these weren't supposed to be open till, like, I don't know, end of the month, we're ahead of schedule by like 2 weeks, if not more, on getting these rooms open. We're ahead of schedule 2 weeks, maybe even 3, right, quite frankly. So gold in them Nar Hills is coming. Just received a signal in signal room 1, 2, and 3 for a trade in which you are in money profit again. Okay? I'll get more into the signal rooms later. Signals did it again. Can't tell you how great. Thank you, Johan. Johan, are you in the Discord there and post that message if you don't mind? Well, I can copy it. Never mind. Thanks, sir. Thank you, Metal Mine. Thank God for the system. Thank you, Larry Cooper. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Perfect call. Perfect timing. Thank you, Palmer. Keith. The chant goes out. Keith. The chant goes out. Keith. Look at this shit. Look at it go up before your very eyes. That white line is when it was called. Bop. Bippity. Boo. Bippity boo. Bippity bop. That is fucking something else. And let me go back into the Discord and go into our other channel of the Discord. People. Yep. Here we go. Copy and let me paste this. And I've jumped all ahead now. Whoa, that ain't right. Yo. Oh, I'm trying to go from thing to the other. That's funny. Hold on a second. Oh, no, I understood about the gold room. I meant about the regular tier room. Sorry, I didn't defend. I meant about the regular tier rooms. Yeah, they've been open. If you're not seeing signals, did you send the... I know what you did, Dennis. Dennis, you have to look at your emails that are sent to you or the Discord alerts or your rules. Antoinette. Good morning, Antoinette Taylor. You have to be... Oh, my God, Dennis. Dennis. Wow. Dennis, we sent you out emails. Okay? Give me just a second here. I'm sorry. This is why it's important, you guys. Corrections. Wow. Mm-hmm. Oh, boy. I have a feeling Dennis hasn't looked at an email sent to him in 20 years. Let's see. Hold on. All right, Dennis. Go check your emails. And look at your emails. Oh, I don't know. Warning, please be aware of the signals. Attention, everyone. We are switching 12 days ago, 7 days ago. Okay? And then go read. Let me see if Dennis has been opening up his emails. I don't think Dennis has been opening up shit. Yeah, Dennis, go back. Oh, my God. I can't do it all, guys. I can only help you out, and eventually you guys are responsible for your own actions. Dennis, please go to your emails and look from an email from the Safety Trade Signals. Okay? Check your spam, all that routine. You know how to look for a missing email. You'll find them. Then go in the Discord. Okay? And then go into your rules. Just open the rules you've been given. You have to look at the rules. This is a good learning lesson for all of you. You have to open the rules every day to check the rules. You have to check your emails every day. I don't understand. I can't reach all any more than that. Change in the rules, which you're supposed to be checking every day. We sent out 2 emails warning you it was going to happen. I talked about this on my lives every day. 4 times Friday. Nope, I'm done. I can only hold people's hands so much. I'm fucking done. That's it. Hopefully you got it. I don't know what else to tell you. Just send another nicely worded email to Bree, Dennis. Or go in the Discord or check your rules. Do you have your rules, Dennis? Jesus. I don't know what more I can do. Near impossible to actually please everyone in the world. It really is. You try, you try again, you try some more, and for whatever reasons, you just can't. I don't know. I don't know. Wow. Over here doing my absolute best, and still, wow. I do not know how to help everyone in this world. I try my best to help everybody in this world. Yeah, you need to read your rules. That's a good way to know that you haven't been reading your rules. Everyone that's paying for the signal services, my best advice to you is to read the rules every day, nonstop. Read them in the morning. Read them at night. Read them in the morning and night. I don't know. Well, where is my type form rules at, actually? Okay, I'm missing half my shit. Hold on a second. Dun, 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 dun. By the way, Friday was phenomenal. Wasn't it great, Johan? Here are the 3 options on the buy, comparing them to get your thoughts on which one looks better to you. Oh, yeah. 3 options on the buy. Oh, you mean getting into entry? Sure, absolutely. Yeah, we can't keep talking about what happened to you, Dennis. Just we'll move on. All right. Well, in the money, nonetheless, on all those calls. Let me find out where. I swear. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Sienna signal rules. Body. Body. Wow. That's a scary thought. Here you go. And those are your rules. We'll go over these in detail. Rule number 2, as you never know when the safety trade signal AI will see a signal, please have your Discord alert always near you. I can't believe I write this, but Discord alert is your alert. How often, blah, 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 blah. And then it goes to here where I literally go over that you need to reread your rules all the time, not just some of the time. Well, we'll get to it later. Trust me, I'll go over those rules in detail for you. All right. It's not too late for entry. You can go back down, come back up, and do it again. It will do that, just like it did on Friday. Unless you see an easy trade, which we'll go over why Friday was superior. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's go over a few things first. We got way out of whack. All right, you're looking at, as far as I'm aware, and only because of God, the only trademark, patent pending, NDA protected system, trading system, step-by-step trading system made for beginners that is United States of America trademarked, the safety trade system in class 41. I don't want to hear, I've never still heard it, but I don't want to hear of anybody who says, oh yeah, My logo's trademark. Who gives a shit? This isn't talking about a logo. This is talking about a trademark, class 41 coaching in the field of stock market trading, coaching and building generational wealth through. And there it is. There's your seal. There is whoever that is, Catherine. There is the number, and there it is. So people go, oh, what difference does it make? It makes the world of difference. Trust me. Couldn't be prouder of that. So thank you, God, for that. Next. Let it hook down, come back up later today. That's what it's going to do. Legal disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone that calls in, blah, blah, blah. I got to do and say everything every day. This is just for fun and educational purposes only. You'll have to validate trades. You'll have to enter your demo trades only, just like I do, because I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. You need to seek a professional. Furthermore, to not provide personal investment advice. Also, all information found, including any ideas, are for informational, entertainment, educational purposes only. I will not and cannot be held liable for any actions you take as a result of anything you read, see, here. Why? Because you guys are adults. Act like it. Conduct your own due diligence. I trade only demo money unless otherwise noted. I am just a social media influencer. Please visit my store. Ooh, I'm so happy about that. I say some of you guys are actually buying some merchandise. It's so fucking cool. It's good quality, just expensive as heck. Any investment advice, trades, or speculations or decisions is at your own risk. These channels reflect my own views and opinions. They are not affiliated with any broker or dealer, nor representations or warranties. I can't control what other links have. If I tell you to go to the ice cream recorder link, I don't know what the fuck they do. It has nothing to do with me. All information is provided without warranty, expressed or. So type yes if you understand. I am not a financial, nor is anyone associated with this channel, please. Good morning, Fly This Guy, Jan. TikTok, please. And I need people from YouTube to go to TikTok, or I'll close down YouTube just like I did last Monday. My YouTube channel is The Real Safety Trade. Good morning, Mr. C. Thank you, Fly. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Glow. Thank you, Monique. Thank you for being on both, Mr. C. Y'all need at least, I don't know, 15, 20 of you from YouTube to head over to TikTok, or I'll be closing down YouTube. I'll give you guys about, 2-3 minutes. Oh, Dennis, I see you follow where it says we're switching over the Discord alert. Excellent. I'm sure we get to that about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or later, I'm assuming. What's up, Kimberly Mitchell? Thank you, Kim. All right. Look how wonderful, girl. Here's a good hint for you guys. When you see the pink line low on the sniper on the 15, that's when you enter a buy. You can't enter a buy when it's high. Just saying. So you've already made your money. This is another successful trade, regardless of what it does. I'm going to go ahead and pull out my beautiful drawing right here. You're about to see this happen, Lord willing, just like it did on Friday. It's going to go up, hook, and come down. This is the exact same thing. They always hook it up early, bring it down, then hook it up again. This is exactly what they did on Friday with whatever their BS news was. I drew this out last Friday, I'm positive. And there it is right there. There's your hook, and there's your coming back up again. So all three indices. Buy, 1 minute sell, 15-minute buy, 30-minute buy, whatever it turns into. And I believe that's the last thing I wrote. Let's take a look. Unofficial 1 minute sells top. Yeah, I like that. Phase. Let me see if the 1 hours are hit before I misspeak here. Dun. Oh, the 1 hours are riding it? Fuck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, We're a little far away on NAS. That needs to pull back down to the blue line on NAS, in my opinion. I would look for a US 30 buy to engage is what I would do out of this group. NAS, you should already been in and out of. You're already done with that one. X, you should be in and out of. You're already done with that one. Why am I on? There we go. All right. More exciting news, by the way. We started work and made the first 3 correct calls, but it's a long be here for 3 months. The Holy Grail trade. Keith Palmer, the most extraordinary coder in the history of the world. What's up, Jason Roby? Good morning. Thank you, Dennis G. No worries. What's up, Zocker476? Good morning, Kimberly Mitchell again. Yeah, that's cool. Anybody on YouTube going to swing over to TikTok? I mean, 18, 20, 25 people on TikTok. That's fine. All right. So what are we looking at? This happens to be NAS. When I zoom in on it, so it looks a little more impressive to you guys. Look at that buy stop. Just gorgeous perfection. And turn off your green line on the 15-minute or the yellow line. Doesn't matter. I prefer the green line entry. Once you see the little hook go down. Now, we have, as I was telling you, sorry, I got sidetracked, the Holy Grail trade has been tested, starting its testing phase. It has been correct in the first 3 signals called out. And it will work with US 30 and SPX, but the signal will go out for NAS 100. All 3 of the signals that called were 250 pips or more for NAS. And if you don't know what the Holy Grail trade is, I don't know what I'm going to call it. I guess Holy Grail trade. We'll see. Any rate, that particular trade itself will never miss unless God wants it to. I'm not giving God anything. God gets all the credit in the world for the trade, for developing it. But I can't call it the perfect trade. I can call it the NP trade, the near perfect trade. But it won't miss. And when that signal goes up, to do is wait for it to come back up to the green line and you'll enter, or down from the red line and enter. That's all. Easiest trade in the history of the world. It's the easiest trade in the history of the world, I almost say. Super easy. Very hard to find. It's based on 6 symbols, 3 different time frames. So there's a lot of coding that had to go into it. But boy, oh boy. Yep, and that's coming free to everybody in all tiers. Tier 1 will get 1 signal a month. Tier 2 will get 1 signal a month. Tier 3 will get unlimited signals. And yes, we had our first successful, meaning we should be closer to giving the Holy Grail trade out to you guys for free of charge. I would say with 3 months rather than 4 or 5 months. I think we'll be there in 3 months. So I think it'll be there somewhere around June, May, June. You guys should be seeing it. And it hit it perfectly, timed it perfectly. It's just amazing. Thank you, Joanne, for being at both. Appreciate that. Dun, 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 dun. All right. So what do we see? Da, da, da. All right. So we've determined that we are in a trade. Buy stop called out by the signal service perfectly yet again. The signal service, I believe, is now either 13 and 13 or 14 and 14. We're 2 for 2 in February. We were 11 for 11, so that must mean 13, right? 100% win rate on the signal service. We're currently in a buy on NAS, SPX, and US 30 because of the signal service. A win is when 1 or more 20 pips or more, or the equivalent. There would be 5 pips on SPX. And yep, they did on all three, I believe, hit 20 pips or more. So there you go. But it's going to come back down again, then hook and come back up again, in my opinion. We'll see. All right, we've determined that we have a trademark on the system. I'm trying to think of anything else. We'll go over the rules for the trades. Let me go ahead and call them out real quick. All right. I'm going to go back down. I'm going back to my MetaTrader 4. All right, here we go. I'm going to call out U.S. oil, Amazon. All right, let's see. 1 minute sell stop for him for U.S. oil, UK oil. 1 minute sell. 5 minute sell. 1 minute, 5 minute sell, U.S. UK oil. 30 minute, no. 1 hour. 1 hour, 30 minutes. You've been in the cell. Should have already been in the cell. It's a little long in a tooth, actually. 1 hour, hour. Ooh, better have good eyesight with this one. Buy stop. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. No, that doesn't look right. Yeah, it is. I didn't see the blue line down there. 4 hour daily buy. I need to know. Amazon, 1 minute. Buy stop. Oh, let's see. What did Amazon do? Let's see. Let's go back here. What do we see? I see a 1 minute buy stop before it popped up. These guys are so funny with their BS they do. 5 minute buy stop. Let me see. 15. 15 minute stop. Look at your buy stop with the broken gap. I'm assuming 30 minutes is normal. It was. So looking for Amazon. I'm sure there was earnings or whatever bullshit they want to call. Everybody out there that has a system, whether it's a sniper buy stop or this right here, green, green, red, broken block. What is this called? A buy stop or a sell stop for Amazon? What is this called? And this isn't rhetorical. Buy stop or sell stop? Go ahead and type it out, please. Thank you, Rated Trader, for being on both. Da, 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 da. 1111. Yep, buy stop. Correct. So whatever they announced, whatever bullshit they did, that was clearly and you'll usually see the news be done on a 15-minute level. Sometimes 5 and sometimes 1 hour, but it's you. So they had some kind of earnings or something last week, I'm assuming. Buy stop at 1. Yes, correct, Jan. Bach break. Correct. Correct, Metal Mine. Buy stop. Correct, Kelly, Dennis. Thank you, guys. And there you go. So if you guys are missing the power, absolute missing the stunning power of how accurately this system works with stocks. I rarely hear of anybody working with stocks. Yes, John, correct. It works with earnings before they happen. So if you know, I know Amazon has earnings come out, Microsoft has, pick one, Apple, Google, Facebook. If they have earnings coming out, just swing over to your charts, open up the little symbol, and see what you see. And not only that, this is your entry for it right here with the pink across the blue. So we'd have called a buy stop. Somewhere back on 131. And it looks like they released earnings or some shit somewhere around 2.2. So you had plenty of time to put in one little order on a buy stop. Pop, and there she goes up. Hope you all see how easy it is. The system calls out their earnings. You want to go in NVIDIA? Jeez, oh pizza. This is so wild to me what people trade. See, look, what's this right here in NVIDIA? Same exact freaking charts that throughout the broken box. Look at it. Buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, lower box, purple cross thing. Up she goes. But watch this. You want to see even something funnier? This is what cracks me up. Gee, I don't know why NVIDIA, they're so dumb. Let's look at the 4 hour NVIDIA, okay? Let's just look at the 4 hours. It'd be hard with all my lines. I get it. So since 2023, since December, we've been in buy. But wait, it gets better. We've been in buy. Look at the first time a buy stop was called for NVIDIA. Look at it. Look at here it is right here. First time a buy stop for NVIDIA was called back on 2/22/23. A year ago was the first 4-hour buy stop. Price for NVIDIA, you would have gotten in at $215, whatever, if that's good or not. And then again a buy stop, 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 another buy stop, a broken block buy stop, another buy stop, another buy stop, another buy stop. And now it's at, you tripled your money. It's at $661. Look at your buy. So why is NVIDIA going up? It has nothing to do with whatever bullshit news they're spewing down your throats and into your eyes. This is what it has to do with. And don't even get started on the sniper. Buy stop, buy stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. Oh, but that's historical. It predicts it with 100% accuracy. Never misses. The only way it screws up is when human beings get involved and screw it up. Other than that, nope. Perfection. Sell stop, NVIDIA. No, all right. Let's go back to XRP. Hope you guys catch that. What's up? Good morning, Michael, a.k.a. Big Pippin. Here we go. XRP in the house. 1 minute buy. XRP in the house. 1 minute, 5 minute buy to the 5 minute blue line. XRP. 15 minute, 1 hour sell stop. XRP. I like that one too. It's going to go up and then it'll be right down. 4 hour forming daily buy stop. That's looking really good. Daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. Ethereum. Life of Ethereum. Do 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 do. Okay. Next, Ethereum. 1 minute. Hold on a second. Let me see Bitcoin. And don't forget, we have an Ethereum Bitcoin servers that's going to be being called out. Holy shit. You want to know accurate? Woo! It's going to be accurate as fuck. How do you guys like that? So, Mr. Bro, what the hell are you doing here has been blocked by the channel. I'm not even going to say anything because of TikTok. Once I close TikTok, I'll go into the details. That was funny. Thank you, Fly to the Sky. Appreciate that. Good morning, Audrius Adamatus. All right, we're making our signal call outs. We did oil, Amazon, XRP. We're on Ethereum now and then Bitcoin. 1 minute, buy, stop, Ethereum. 5 minute, buy, stop, Ethereum. I think it's too far away on the 15 minute. I think unofficially I wouldn't take those buys until Ethereum pulls back down to the yellow or red line. That I would do. Let these come back down. And if Ethereum doesn't come down, there's nothing you can do. So I'm going to say 1 minute unofficial sell, stop, Ethereum. 5 minute buy. Let the 15-minute line come back to it. That's what it's going to do. Then they'll form 15-minute, 30-minute buy stops to the 30-minute blue line. Then it will form a 4-hour sell stop. Then it'll form a daily buy stop, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. Bitcoin. 1 minute. 1 minute buy stop. But again, unofficial sell stop. Bitcoin and Ethereum on the 1 minute. That's just me. Forming. Yeah, see, it's just, I think it's just got to come down back to those yellow lines again, but whatever. Forming a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. 1 hour buy stop Bitcoin. 4 hour buy stop Bitcoin. Daily buy stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. GBP JPY 1 minute. GBP, it's already been. It was a sell. You're too late. I wouldn't take anything right on 1 minute. GBP JPY. It was a ricochet back to the 5 minute. Too late. 15 minute. Sure, why not? Let me see. 15 minute, 30 minute, not yet. 1 hour. Jiminy Christmas. Really? Let me see. 4 hour. Yeah, okay. 4 hour daily buy stop. And that's all you need to know on GBP JPY. USD CHF is the opposite of EUR. EUR USD, whatever I call for, would be the opposite. Damn. EUR USD is tanking. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. EUR USD. Oh, ICE is a little far away from the 15. It's going to probably jerk up a little bit. It is. I wouldn't take those 1 minute, 5 minute sells yet. EUR USD is too far away on the 15, 30 minute from its yellow. Let it hook back up. I don't care if this drops hard and far. Just stay out of it. Come back up to the 15 minute at least, and then take the sell. Let me see 1 hour. Woo! Nice. 4 hour. And it went back down the blue line, I'm sure. Daily buy stop EUR USD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line EUR USD. Been calling that for fucking half a year. Takes time for some of these. I already gave you US 30 NAS and SPX. We'll go over that in a second. Again, though, gold, which we now have. Where's Kimberly Harrington at? Kim, do you see we have a gold signal coming? Nah, she plays it too good. She probably didn't need it. 1 minute. Gold. Buy stop. Forming a 5 minute, 15 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute stop gold. It's kind of up high enough. Let me see the 1 hour. Oh, it touched the 1 hour gold blue line. Fuck. I'd be looking for a 1 hour, 4 hour buy then. Gold, and it's going to be another daily buy again. It's going to dip first though, so gold looks a little iffy to me. You can do the 1 minute buys if you want. I don't know. Let me see that again. 4 hour buy. It hit the 1 hour line. That's what's concerning to me on the sells. Well, read it the way you do. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, that's all the symbols. Let's go ahead and go over exactly how our signal service works. Well, not exactly. We have a lot more variables in there than you guys see. There's NAS. Let's see US 30. And there's SPX. Nice. And there's our NAS again. All right, here we go. We have, good morning, James. Good morning, James Cochran. If you had the signal service, you'd already been in this trade, James. The signal service now 13 for 13, 100% win rate. You're in a NAS buy stop if you did take that. I'm going to go over the rules of trading according to my system. Let's take a look. Da-da-da-da-da-da. All right, here are the rules. We'll start right here. Always keep your rules handy. Always look at your rules every day. Always print your rules every day. Always type out your rules every day. Always refer back to the rules every day. It'll help you guys a shit ton, including missing that the Discord was already been opened up for what, 2 weeks now? God almighty. Hi, welcome to the Safety Trade System. Good morning, Joanna Webley. Good morning, CISO. Good morning, BCM. Good morning, Adamatis again, and Michael. All right, this is how exactly to trade the system. You wake up in the morning, you thank God. You do your physical activities, which I didn't do this morning yet, which I will after this. Then after you do your all your stuff you're supposed to do physically, then you come in and look at your rules. What we're looking to do is trade only our buy green up arrow, our sell red down arrow. How do we find it? Follow the rules. Rules were updated on 1.5. These updated rules will be released to each and every one of you that are in the system, that bought the system. On 15th. We haven't updated the rules since April the 15th, 10 months ago. This will be the first update on the rules in almost a year. They are that important to follow. These rules will be updated from time to time, so please keep them handy. Do I have to really say, please fucking check the rules? Really? God, people. So frustrating dealing with people. I'm telling you, the Holy Grail trade, which was just tested 2 days ago for the first time, thanks to Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer, the outstanding Keith Palmer. Good man, fantastic man, fantastic coder. He went ahead and started coding the Holy Grail trade. It made it first 3 reads. Average win on those reads were 250 pips for NAS. They won't happen often at this time, but they will happen. And when they do, they're not going to miss. Okay? So when these signals now are currently generated, they're currently through a Discord alert. I can't believe I write this out, but the Discord alert, when you receive the alert, don't look at the times. Okay? How often will they form? Well, evidently 11 times the first month and 2 times this month. And technically it had already been 3 times this month, and 3 times would have been wins. But the first one we had a little glitch on, which is my fault for the rush. Should never rush this getting it out to you. So it's all right. We have 2 more wins, including the one from today. This is an example of your signal that you receive. What does that have to do with me and trading? Everything. Because here it is. There's 2 steps to trading. Once you receive it, the signal, you have to verify it. How do you verify it? This is exactly how you verify the signal, or trade the signal in parentheses. 2 steps. Step 1. For example, you receive a buy signal, which you just did. You go to the 1-hour charts and you verify the blue line's high and the pink's low on 2 out of the 3. And verify our logo has been formed. So let's go ahead and do that. Da, 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 da. NAS, blue line high, pink line low on the 1 hour. SPX, blue line high, pink line low on the 1 hour. We already have a positive. And there it is. You're in the money on your US 30. I told you to look for the US 30. Who took that trade? Who took that fucking trade? Look at the money you just made. Before I just called this trade live. Yep, there it is. Entry anywhere from here. You're up 25 pips on the US 30 buy that just occurred. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up. What the hell are you doing here, dude? We're making fucking money, dude. Look at it before your very eyes. As I'm explaining this to you, there's US 30 in the money. Bingo, boppo, bango. There's NAS in the money. You bet in the money. There's SPX in the money. The signal service was correct yet again. My call out live was correct yet again. I said, which one to take? Which one out of the 3 did I tell you to take? I said, look for US 30 buy stop next. I said, that's the best out of the 3. Bingo, boppo. Anyone get that? Good morning. It's my time. Good morning, Japan. Good morning, Joanna Webley again. Look at that. You just made 25 pips. The signal service called it. Bingo, bop, boop, bango, bingo, bop. Now, if you didn't get out of that trade and you're greedy, well, you might lose money. Oh, but you have to be that exact. Trading matters. If you're 5 seconds off trading, you will lose money. Look at it. See it? Oh, some people are greedy pigs and they get watered. Kim says, yes, 30. Thank God. Thank Coach. Great job, Kim. What's up, Flight 379? Good morning. Good morning. It's my time and Raider Trader and Joanne Soez. Wow. Just saying. You saw it live. See how fast that went up and down? Oh, I can't trade that fast. Huh? Definitely don't fuck around with US 30 then. US 30 is called the Widowmaker for how many people it was. Da, 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 da. Wow, how much fun was that, my friends? All right, so that's how you check to see if you're available on the 1 hour. That's our rules. 1, 2, 3, technically US 30, a little challenge right there, but still good. NAS, perfection. All right, and SPX, perfection. You only need 2 out of 3. So hourly. Let's take a look. If those, hold on, we have to go to the logo here. If we see that and we see our logo on the 1 hour, which we do not, this is too far away. We need SPX to pull back down. NAS, too far away. We need NAS to come back down, just exactly like it did right. Let me be clear. It's too far away on the 1 hour. It needs to come down NAS like it did right here. I would fully expect after this little push up, price to come tumbling down. If it doesn't, stay in your buys, but your take profits. Now, the best out of these, again, like I mentioned, was US 30 because it did redraw our logo. You should have already bopped off that yellow line, actually, and been in shit money. But that's just me. You guys are all grown adults. Trade the way you want to trade. Never enter in a buy when it's up here. Only enter into your sniper when it's down low. Boom. There it went. Boom. There it went. Well, is it going to keep going up? I don't know. You just made 25, 30 pips. Don't be a greedy pig and get the fuck out of the trade. I expect it's gonna dip down a little bit more because NAS and SPX isn't there, and then it will go up again. Thanks for being on both. Good morning, Harry. Okay. Now, what else are we doing? Oh, so it doesn't. So right now we should stop and not go against the rules, but I'm just going to teach you this. So if the 1 hour chart showing the logo, if the 1 hour charts are showing the blue and pink separated, and if 2 out of 3 are doing that, you go to step 2. Step 2, this is actually how to trade. There's only 2 steps. Hello. All right. For example, there's a thing. So we verified the 1 hours, which we didn't. Only one of them had it. We need 2 out of the 3. Then you go to the 15-minute. Do the exact same thing opposite for your sniper. Very first time it happens is the best. Make sure there's a logo on the 15. And then this is your trade entries. Can't be any clearer. Someone asked for that earlier, but come on. You got the rules. Type them out. Read them out. And I really had to type this in because I'm embarrassed for some of you. I'll say his name. The lowest line regardless of color. Some people change their color of their line. Some people use because they like pinks or they like purples or they like oranges. Whatever the fuck the lowest color of the lowest line is regardless of color. I swear. Or look for when the pink crosses the blue line sniper. Or you have to. This is extremely important. Only enter a buy stop when the pink line is at the very bottom, not at the top. See, the sniper stops you from entering in the trade at the wrong time just because of this rule right here. Price action loves to go down to below the 1 hour blue line. It's a great place to look for entry. Yes, the blue line is. So let's go back and see what our 15 minutes are doing. Look at that beautiful US 30. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Woo! You guys should be retired just from that movement. Look at that. Pink line low, I was just saying. So this is it. We need the blue line and the pink line low when it's a buy stop. I'm going to go ahead and say, yep, for US 30 it was. Yep, for cross, by the way. Yep, for SPX. And that is your entry time. You don't enter a buy on a 15-minute time, 1 minute, 5 minute, when the pink line is high. 7s if I'm clear on that, 9s if I'm not. You don't enter a trade on a buy when the pink line is high. You have to wait for it to come down. Then you enter your buy. 7s, that's clear. 9, that's not. Thank you, Jan. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, Harry. Thank you, BCM and Builder Glass. Thank you, Johan. I don't know why people change colors, but I see it on the Discord every day or at least once a week, or they'll send me an email with different colors in there. They literally will have, instead of like greens and reds, they like purples and pinks. So these will be purples and pinks. Instead of blue, pink and blue right here, they'll change the colors to red and green or something. Who knows? It's the weirdest shit. But it's their choice. Grown adults, do it any way you want. You're welcome, Japan. Now, again, this system is made for beginners. It doesn't mean it's easy. It just means we're more correct than 1% of the time that the average retail trader makes. So when you are trading Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, volume, VWAP, naming of candle and candle patterns, and all that BS, it's right. It's only right 1% of the time. At least you can learn this system and be right more than 1% of the time. And I bought that tester. Oh, Keith, I got to write Keith on that one. Electricians can switch the color upon their desire. Ha 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 ha! That's a good example, Metal Mind. Oh my gosh, that is funny. All right, so now that we know the proper entry, and you have the sniper to keep you out of the bad trades, and you can see the results right in front of your little eyes, the signal service is right again. 13 for 13. We have 100% win rate on the first 13 trades called out. Technically, there should have been a 14. And by the way, you'd have fucking 70 entrances or so, 60 to 70 entrances off these trades. Because not only does it call this trade, the rules teach you how to look for the next. It's all binary. I agree with you on that one. The system works. That is true, Japan. Thank you, Glo, for being at both spots. Appreciate that, my brother. All right. 15-minute 1 hours right here. You can clearly see US 30. You can clearly see our logo, by the way, here. Some of you don't understand, but let me draw it out for you. Price starts underneath, told to come up, comes back, reforms, comes back, reforms, up she goes. That's what just happened to you this morning on US 30 and NAS. Boop. Look at US 30 going up. And why? Because US 30 is going up this hard because it came down to its yellow line down here. Boop. There it goes. The problem with NAS and SPX is they'll go up. Don't get me wrong, but they didn't come all the way down and form their logo right here. That's all on the 1 hour. They sure as hell did on the 15 minutes. They're going to dip further, come back down to the yellow line later this morning, somewhere around 9:30 to 10:30. They'll come back up again. That's just my opinion. I think you'll see the dip down again. You're welcome, Metal Mind. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, sir. I resisted the urge to tell a joke about Brian Claus and say, morning, Santa Claus, but anyway, I resisted the urge. Well, I just said that. All right. So those are your rules. Step 1, step 2. What's up, D-Haas? Okay. Now, those are only 2 steps to trading, but we do have other videos for you. If you ever made a wrong trade or something wrong with your trade, the best video I've ever done, and over 1,000 live videos, was this one. First ever signal. Type that into YouTube, search it, trade first ever signal, or FRIDA. It'll walk you through all the wrong things you could possibly do, because a very nice woman named Frida came in and did do that. And I walked her through it to make money on a trade. What's up, Costello? Is this a class? No, just teaching you how to trade. It's open to everybody. It's not a closed class. Later today at 2:15, it'll be a closed class only for my students, only for the members who bought. Yeah, and thank you for asking nicely, Goss. If you have any other question, please just ask. Okay. No, you just missed where we called out gold, oil, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I made all the calls this morning. All right. Do's and don'ts. Remember to take only the best one. That's why I pointed out this morning it was US 30 and how you all made that money. Do not ever share it, so you guys know that. Always trade the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and this is all the rules. Just follow along. Boop, boop. Stop losses, take profits, letting the runners run. Of course, the most important rules we have, always thanking God, always do good with your profits. These are the rules for the beginner. This is exactly how I trade every day. And then, of course, the legal disclaimer. And that's the rules. Doop, doop. All done. Easy peasy. And this is our US 30 trade and shit tons of money. NAS already made us shit tons of money. SPX is doing what SPX does. Now would not be the time to get into the US 30 trade because the pink line is high on our sniper. Just stay away. Thank you, Metal Mine. Good morning, Techman. Absolutely, Metal Mine. Always keep things up to date. Always. All right. So that's how you trade the system on a buy stop. We haven't had any sales to go over lately, but this is what you're seeing this morning is perfection. I'm going to go ahead and remind you all that we are STAN ambassadors, senior ambassadors. They asked to join the senior ambassador group. What is STAN? It's like Shopify, and we're a top 50 Shopify store, if not a top 20 Shopify store, and we have 3 of them with them, and we make a shit ton of money, a lot of money from our stores. I also make a tiny bit from trading, but damn, those stores are profitable. Okay? You need to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because, and it's in our rules, volume, VWAP, ascending, descending wedges, Fibonacci retracement works 1% of the time. Verify to continue. Why the hell is TikTok asking me to verify to continue? Hold on. In the middle of my live, it says verify to continue from TikTok. Wow. Look at that US 30, son of a gun. Woo! So yes, all the volume VWAPs, trend line, support and resistance works 1% of the time. Don't believe me, Google it. 99% of all retail traders fail at making money. Less than 1% actually make money. I can guarantee you that this system that you'll learn is right more than 1% of the time. It's right 100% of the time. Whether you guys can read it or not is up to you. Do you see how important that BOC is? Look, BOC turned to red. See the red? BOC down here, watch, is green. The BOC break versus a non-BOC break, 1 million yeses to take the trade. The BOC turned to red. It didn't turn to red to here. You see it? Now let's compare that to NAS. Bach break didn't happen. Let's compare that to SPX. Bach break didn't happen. But they'll still go up. It's just that this trade is the best out of the three because of those reasons. It went down, it formed the Bach break, and there it is. Yes, I've seen 100%. Yes, Japan. All right. What else? Try to record your sessions. Speaking of which, there's a tester for MT4, which I can't get to work because I'm too stupid. But Keith, the mighty Keith Palmer, hopefully will teach me. But you need to record your sessions regardless. Then you can look back and see whatever you need to see. When the entries are, why did I call this trade? Every one of you should rewatch this video. Look at it. Look at how many pips the damn gone signal is making for you right now. The signal service called out this trade, and you are now up 100 over 100 pips on a signal. Professional traders make 10 pips a day. You just made 100 pips off of US 30 off the signal service this morning. You should be rich and retired. You know, it would literally take them at least 10 days, but they're only right 64% of the time. So it would take them about 2 weeks to 3 weeks, maybe more, to get to 100 pips that you just took in one trade. Fuck. Wow. Incredible. System is flawless. Humans fuck up religion and politics and everything they touch. They also mess up my system, even though it is flawless. Learn how to read it and you won't make any mistakes. Okay, we have 3 add-ons that you can get. The system is standalone. You don't need anything else with it. Please don't combine it with any other system. You're a silly person if you do that. Okay, so what are our 3 add-ons? What are our 3 add-ons, you might ask? Well, we have the 8th wonder of the coding world. Well, probably the number 1 wonder of the coding world. We have a scanner. What is a scanner? This scanner is $50 a month. I strongly suggest everybody get it. And speaking of which, I'm really PO'd at one of our members who has made so much money with the system that I considered an online friend at least, who then made $69,000 in a trade, who then bought a boat with the winnings from what he's got. And he will not, how do I word this? You do not have to get any of this that I'm going over, the add-ons. It'll work regardless. But if you believe in something, support it. If you believe in McDonald's, eat there 3 times a day, you'll get more McDonald's. I don't recommend that. If you want to go to a steakhouse, I found out T-Bones, no steakhouse, has no seed oils with butter, then go to a steakhouse. If you're a vegetarian, go to a beautiful vegetarian restaurant. Whatever you put your money at, that's what will grow. So am I right or wrong when I ask you guys, 7s I'm right, 9 I'm wrong? When I ask you guys, let me be clear. This person has made over, I know over $100,000, over $200,000 for the system, and he does not support the system with 1 penny. Does he have to get for $50 a month the Safety Trade System scanner room? No. Should he get the Safety Trade System for $50 a month? Would you support something that you've made $200,000 or $300,000 or more on with $50 a month? Would you? Yes or no? Let's go at it. Am I wrong? Am I wrong for expecting this mofo to support the system? Come on. If you make $200,000-$300,000, I know he made over 100 because the 2 trades he sent me in the boat. Get out of here. Fuck that. I am so pissed about that. Now, if he doesn't want to buy the $150 a month sniper, whatever, But if you don't even pop in $50 a month for this, fuck out of here. So I get, hey, what's up, Mike? You missed the US 30. She's already been on it. Good morning, Manuela. So I'm okay in thinking that if you guys make 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 a year or more, you should support the system by at least getting the scanner rooms for $50 a month. Because if I'm wrong and I'm out of place, let me know. But at my core, it pisses me off. Ugh, I can't say what I'm going to say. It just annoys me that someone that silly who's made hundreds of thousands of dollars with my system doesn't support it. And I swear I'm within seconds of releasing his name to all of you. Fucking people in this world. Or banning them. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, Harry. I'm just making sure it's not me. I agree, Metal Mind. Makes no sense. But it's too weird to me that he won't do this. So, yeah, I might just kick him. I don't want to say anything against TikTok. I'll see. I'm going to pray about it. Because he's a nice fella, good man, does nothing but support us. Like on the lives here or there and, you know, whatever. But I am not happy with him at all. Ridiculous. And that goes for any of you that are doing great with the system. At least buy the scanner a month. I mean, some people are making $300 to $500 a day. Some people are making $1,500 a day. Tommy made $166,000 in one trade. James made over $220,000 in one trade. And you can't buy the scanner rooms for $50 a month? Oh, my God. I don't know what to tell you guys. I would say of everything is if it makes you invest more correct. If I had cash, I would have bought everything every day, all day. Allah says, me, you'll get the cash money. I pray to God you will. All right. Johan, I'm sure he changed his mind by now. I don't think he's on right now, but when I see him come on next time, I'm going to go on that tirade again. And no, he hasn't. No, he has not changed his mind. It's scary how people think in this world. It's fucking scary how people think in this world. Absolutely, it's karma. Yeah, well, when I take away the system from him and he has nothing, and he can't get in the Discord, he can't come on lives, and he can't have the system, I won't renew it for him, then I guess he could trade all he wants with nothing and see how he does. Go back to trading without the system and see how you guys do. You want something scary? Show you a chart what it looks like without the system. That's scary. Anywho, what I was saying, we have 3 add-ons if you want to use them. And if you're doing great, I expect you to get all 3 of these. What's up, Bobby Hasten? All right. So what we have, and I don't even know why you wouldn't support this. You pick 2 out of the 3, 2 out of the 4 rooms right here, and you get the most advanced scanner in the history of the world. These are your indices, all indices, gold and oil, all 8 time frames. There's another room, the Forex room. There's one, AUD/USD buy, there's CHF, JPY, sell. All majors and crosses, NZD, Chef, NZD, JPY, all majors and Forex crosses, all 8 time frames on MetaTrader 4 are all here. Cryptos, all major cryptos are here. Traded with 100% accuracy since January the 5th on the 1 hour. All of them are accurate, but I'm just pointing out one on Bitcoin. The 1 hour never misses. All stocks. Let's be clear. All stocks. All 55 of the most major stocks there are, 55 of them are all traded. This is for $50 a month. You guys should have it anyway. If you're a beginner, it trades two time frames like I teach you. It trades to the blue line. That's why you see these SS3s and so on and BS3s. Boom, boom, boom. And if you don't like those, you can go into the actual here. Indices, top 10, Forexes, top 10. Look at that. Boom, buy stops, sell stops. cryptos. New one, ADA USD buy 1 minute. And then you come over to here. When you come over to here, you then see the 2 out of 3 scanner, which once you learn it, because this will flip, you'll see eventually you'll see US 30 turn to red. Speaking of which, we need Keith for the update. Update. Da 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 da. Update H&H. Keith. We need to get that pushed out now. It's time. We have a free update to the scanner coming. But anywho, this will turn to red, then they'll all turn to red, then you'll see it flip. I don't know about this morning, but you'll see it overnight for damn sure. So that's an add-on for $50 a month. Feel free, take it. We also have the sniper add-on. This is the thing I refer to all morning. You don't need it, but I will never trade without it. See, now you see, this is at the top. And not saying it can't go up more, but you would have took it when it was at the bottom. Good morning. Yeah, thank you, Boost, for saying that. Appreciate that, Boost. And yeah, I agree with Boost. Like, who bites the hand that feeds you? I am that man. I feel like saying his name. But anywho, there you go. So there's your 100 pips before market open. Oh, it's going down. It just went up 120 pips. Get the fuck out of the trade and don't be greedy. All right, that's the sniper. I would sell pretty much everything I have to buy the sniper for $150 a month. That's how I will never trade without having the sniper. 100% believe me on that. And the third add-on is called the signals. Woo-hoo! Let's take a look at our signals in a book. See how it went. We can trade everything. Looky, looky, looky. The white line is the signal line for a buy. You would have went up, made money once. You'd have went up and made money twice. That's US 30. Here it is on NAS. The signal went out, pop, up, NAS went. Surely it didn't do it on SPX. My name isn't Shirley, and yes, it did. Only went up a little bit. Well, how many fucking pips do you need? I fully expect this to pull back down, go down to their 1 hour blue lines, yellow lines right here, then come back up again later today. Whether they do it between 9:30 and 10:30, or they do it between 1:30 and 2:30, they'll do it. Or later, 6 o'clock to 7 or whatever. Always on the 4 hour they do this. Always. Period. If you don't know what a 4 hour candle is, you can just look into it later. All right. The signal service. Oh, shit. Hold on. The signal service. Da, 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 da. Nah, the signal service has 3 tiers. Da, 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 da. This is the results of the signal service. I don't know if this is the absolute final copy I have. I might have to get that out. But these are the results for January. We were for 11 for 11 wins and over 10,000 pips, and I underreported all of these. Technically, you had over 48 signal callouts that you could have possibly gotten into. All 48 were wins. I consider a win any one of the symbols that goes over 20 pips. Why 20? Because a professional trader makes 10 in a day, and I don't think that's enough. I want to double up a professional trader. So we literally had 0 negative calls. These results were in 3 weeks. All numbers are underreported. We're 62, not 48. 100% win rate. 0 negative calls, which if you ever use a signal service, you'd be appreciative for that. And there's the trade dates. And there it is over here, the signals and the number of pips. So that signal service is what it's called. Just called out a signal this morning. Everybody's benefiting from this signal. me see if I can get back into Discord again. Hold on. Red news at 10 a.m. That's fine. Thank you, Harry. We should have him like the talking fish. Here he is, our talking fish. Okay, here we go. This is the signal service. Let me pull it over for you. Ron, good morning. Was a signal in Discord? Yes, Ron, it was. Here it is, actually. Want to see it? Here it is right here. This is the signal that was out. Yep, there's your time. There's tier 1, tier 3, tier 2. Boop, boop, boop. Here you go. February 5th, the time of the signal, but you don't go by that. You go by. There you go. Buy, stop, six. Tier 1 is $150 a month for up to 5 signals. Tier 2 is up to 10 signals a month. Tier 3 is unlimited. I don't see the message screen. Hey, Ron, henceforth, don't bring up your individual fucking problems on my live. Secondly, do you see these rooms? Did you convert over to the Discord like you were asked to do 2 different times? How about you check your emails and the rules telling you to go to the Discord? If you see tier signal room 3, you've got the signal. It's right here in front of your eyes. If you're in tier 2 signal room, it's right here before your fucking eyes. If you're in tier 1, there's your signal before your very eyes. I hope I'm clear. If you see these rooms in the other server, if you signed up like you're supposed to and you see these, there is your signals. Am I clear? Here we go. Does everybody see today's date? Does everybody see the signal that was generated? Does everybody out there, 7s if you see the signals, 9s if you don't? Here they are. Tell me if you can't see on the purple little arrow pointing to the screen, showing you the signal. So how dare you come on here and tell me you didn't receive the signal? Jiminy Christmas. Follow the fucking rules, Ron. Holy crap. Sitting on here live arguing with me about a problem you have personally, you can bring that up on our advanced trading. You can bring up on today at 2:15 if you want something individual. Don't bring up something individual during a live. And don't you dare try to talk. I'm telling you what it did. Don't you dare. Crazy people are nuts. If you have a problem with it, make a nicely worded email. Send it off to Bree. She'll tell you that I think, Ron, you missed 2 emails we sent out telling you it was going to the Discord. Maybe you didn't sign up for the Discord, Ron. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you didn't get your alerts because you don't have the alerts on your Discord. But if you see, or if you're in either tier 1, tier 2, or 3, a signal went out. And I can't be any clearer. God. Trying to sit here and argue with me. Fuck. Okay. And this is why this will be a closed group and only people the fuck I want in there will be in this group. And I'm telling you, by this time next year, it'll be no one else in there. Only good people that don't cause problems, that are nice and kind. I'm not dealing with this anymore. I don't have to. You're lucky if I give you guys another year of this. You'd be lucky. Now, as a free gift, which I don't know why, from Bree and I, we have now coded, thanks to Keith Palmer, a gold tier 1 signal room. It's not available yet, but it is functional. This room will be a free gift from Bree and I to each and every one of you that's in tier 1. You will now get gold signals starting probably, Lord willing, next week. You'll know when you're in it because you'll see gold tier 1 signal room. If you're in tier 2, you'll see gold tier 2 signal room. If you're in tier 3, you'll see gold tier 3 signal room. And it is a free gift, and that's the first one of many. Eventually, you'll see an oil room with free alerts to each and every one of you. probably maybe 2 weeks. You'll see EURUSD, GBP, JPY rooms for free. You're going to see a Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP room, all for free. So free only if, let me be clear, you're already paying for tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3. You will get access to these other rooms for free. Whether you take those signals or not is entirely up to you, but I'm telling you, they will be extremely accurate. Extremely accurate. You're welcome, Techman. You're right, DHAS. 100% right. So the 3 services that we offer as add-ons, which you do not need, but helps make your trading easier. Some extremely easier. The scanner room, $50 a month. The sniper, $150 a month. And the tier 1 signals from $150 to $350 a month. You don't need these. But if you're having trouble with your entrances or not seeing trades or working or just missing them, whatever the case may be, then get the signals. You don't need to have the signals to see clearly that the buy stop, still again 15-minute, that the buy stop that happened right here was a buy stop. Green, 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 red, broken box, boom. It helps when there's a signal, the white line. It helps when you have the sniper and you can see it went below the blue. Yeah, absolutely they help, but not necessary. Just trying to make your trading lives easier. Just trying to get you all to make a little money while you're learning how to trade my system and then, break off. You don't need to keep the signals if you're seeing your trade. You just don't. All right. Wow. All right. What else? Renewals. A lot of renewals coming up soon. Hundreds and hundreds of you are renewing in February, March, and April. Man, hundreds of you. Several hundreds of you are renewing. If you want to renew, you can renew now. You don't want to interrupt your system and lose it, in other words, then you can just renew it now. Feel free. You'll just get it added on. In other words, if you renew it 2 months early, you get a year and 2 months added to your service. You don't lose it just because of that. So if you want to renew now, do it. Everybody, and I don't care who you are. You're renewing for this one. I'll show you right here. You're renewing only for TradingView signals right here. And only for $575 for the year. I didn't raise the price up at all this year. We kept it the same. As a matter of fact, I don't foresee raising the price up ever again for anything, other than if they jack prices up on our costs, for things. I don't see that happening. Renewals, YouTube store, already told you. All right, today, if you go ahead and get the system today, if you're new here and you're thinking about getting the system, feel free. And no, I'm not going to be nice to you. When you're wrong, you will be called out for being wrong. So don't get the system if you're thin-skinned. Don't get your system if you can't follow simple instructions. Please don't buy the system if you can't follow simple instructions. Please. Oh my God, don't get it. I don't want you in my group if you can't follow instructions. Otherwise, go ahead on over to thesafetytrade.com. Buy the system, $575 for the year. If you bought it, you can't get it today. You won't be done quick enough, but you can get it next Monday. Mondays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's a small group trading only for newbies. If you already had it once, you can't get it again. But everybody that's new bought the system, be in the group. Sometimes there's 5 or 10, and sometimes there's 100, 120. All depends on the week and the month and whatever. I have a feeling we're only going to be like maybe 5, 10, 15 today. Nice small private class taught through Zoom. We give you a type form that walks you through everything, but you have to be able to follow simple instructions and videos. So with that, you have your class today. Then after that class at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for new people, you have an advanced training class at 2:15. And at 2:15, you can ask questions like Ron was or anything else about individual stuff. And we'll gladly go over it then. But we do not go over individual things during a group session. That doesn't even make sense. And it's wrong and it's rude and it's completely inappropriate when we're trying to help hundreds of people to single out yourself like that, inconsiderate of others. I don't tolerate that for 1 second. So that's our advanced trading 15. I've been doing this now live on TikTok for 2 years, over a year and a half on YouTube. Haven't gone anywhere. I've been doing this over and over and over and over again for years now at this point. And I will continue to do so, at least for another year. But I have a feeling 1 year after the Holy Grail trades released, yeah, I'll be doing a small private live on the Discord, not open to this, because I refuse to deal with people like this. I will not have people screwing things up and saying things inappropriately and stuff. I'm just not. It'll be a closed group. Nothing but like-minded traders that want to help each other advance, make money in the system, share the system. Okay? Now, let's see. We made the 12 signal call-outs and actually more. We made money today live with live call-out on US 30 that I told you about before it happened. The signal service also told you about before it happened. Can't believe how excited I am. You guys got to thank Keith Palmer every time he comes on. He's such a good coder. Wow. He says he took my brain and put it on a website. So what he's saying is he took my unique style of trading, we'll leave it at that, a crazy style of trading, and he was able to do it. Just incredible. Incredible. Okay. So does anybody else have any questions or concerns or positive comments they'd like to share with the group right now? Please speak up. I'll wait here for you. Will the real Slim Slady please speak up? Please speak up. Yeah, definitely thank Keith the next time he's on. I'll be staying through probably tomorrow morning, through the entire morning, meaning I'll stay through to about 10:30 tomorrow morning, not today, and probably Wednesday. That's probably going to be the 2 days I swing through the whole day so we can trade and make money. The system works. Keith is phenomenal. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you all for being here. One final question before we scale 1 to 10. And yeah, I can't help yelling at people. That's just the way it is. Do not argue back. Fuck. You know, I kind of created the system. If I say something, it's going to be the way it is. Arguing is such a weird, it's so weird to me that that's what we'll do. 1 to 10. 1 being it was horrible. Please list the reason why. 10 being it's fantastic. Don't need any reasons for that, or 100 or 1,000. I don't care. Whatever number you want to give it. On a scale from 1 to 10. Charlotte Klein said a 7. Unacceptable. Give a 7 and a reason. Thanks for your hard work. Commit to us. Don't give up on us. We should never give up. Correct, Monique. I'm not giving up on any of you. Watch Friday's your video. Great video. Thank you, John. I'm glad you like it. D-Man, 1,000. I don't know what BCMs is. That looks scientific and looks like a lot. All right. All right. Cool. And no one has any questions or comments for the group that I can answer. Positive or negative. If it's negative, you better come prepared to defend your thoughts. Because I will undoubtedly let you have it. Trust me on that. I will undoubtedly unleash on you. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Boost, Kelly, Metal Mine, Monique, Fly, Jan, BCM, D-Man. Oh, thank you, Charlotte, for 10. I think Charlotte was saying 7 for the earlier question there. All right. TikTok, I'm going to go to YouTube for a split second, only because I can speak there freer. Bye, everybody on TikTok. I probably will see you much later this evening, though. I'll be back on. All right. YouTube, any questions now? Sure says, I'm scared of you, Kevin. That's funny. I hope you have a great day. It rained all day yesterday, Jan, but we'll see how. Da, 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 da. All right, no questions on YouTube. All right, God bless you all too. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later this evening. All right, God bless. Talk to y'all later. Da, 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 da. Yes, Techman. You just sent a nicely worded email to Bree, and she will renew you. Yes, Techman. She will renew you. Going now. Just saw that question. Good night. God bless. Or good morning.